Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Huawei Honor 20i. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. Choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Receive on Huawei, and we have to wait for this one. Now over here you need to go with Send on an Android. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But I will only send all. We'll try again. Oh, commercial, okay. So I will send only one file, for example this video. I have to tap on it, tap on Send and click Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon on Huawei, tap on Allow and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always find App Files, select should be videos over here, categories and videos. And as you can see, my file is over here as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!